Do dolphins think humans are intelligent? What if dolphins are secretly judging us? Imagine you're swimming in the ocean. A dolphin sees you struggling to hold your breath for just a minute, while it can dive deep underwater with ease. Now imagine that dolphin thinking, humans call themselves intelligent. They can't even survive in the ocean without machines. But do dolphins actually think humans are smart, or do they see us as strange, clumsy creatures? Let's dive into the fascinating world of dolphin intelligence and discover what dolphins might really think about us. Dolphins, the geniuses of the ocean. Before we can answer the question, we need to understand just how intelligent dolphins are. Dolphins aren't just playful animals. They have some of the largest brains relative to body size in the animal kingdom. Scientists have discovered that dolphins can solve problems, learn new behaviors, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. Think about that for a second. Many animals see their reflection and believe it's another animal. Think about that for a second. Many animals see their reflection and believe it's another animal. Dolphins realize they're looking at themselves. This ability is called self-awareness, and it's considered a sign of advanced intelligence. But that's only the beginning. Dolphins have names. Imagine if every person had a unique whistle instead of a name. Well, dolphins actually do something similar. Each dolphin develops a special signature whistle. It's like having a personal name that other dolphins recognize. When dolphins want to call a friend, they can imitate that friend's whistle. That's incredibly advanced communication. In some ways, it's surprisingly similar to how humans use names. This raises an interesting question. If dolphins can identify individuals and communicate complex information, could they also form opinions about humans? How dolphins see humans. Dolphins are naturally curious creatures. In many parts of the world, they've been observed approaching boats, swimmers, and divers. They often seem interested in us. But curiosity doesn't necessarily mean admiration. Imagine a dolphin watching humans from the ocean. What would it see? It would see creatures that can't swim very fast, creatures that need boats to travel across water, creatures that require tanks and equipment to explore underwater. Compared to dolphins, humans might seem surprisingly helpless in the ocean. Dolphins notice something strange. While humans may seem weak in the ocean, dolphins would eventually notice something remarkable. Humans build things, huge ships, submarines, bridges, entire cities. Dolphins don't create technology. Humans do. A dolphin might watch a massive cargo ship crossing the ocean and realize, wait, these creatures built that. That's where things become interesting. Because intelligence comes in many forms. Dolphins have mastered the ocean. Humans have transformed the entire planet. Different types of intelligence. Many people assume intelligence means solving math problems or building machines. But nature doesn't work that way. A dolphin's intelligence evolved for survival in the ocean. Human intelligence evolved for changing environments and creating tools. Think about it like this. If intelligence were a video game, dolphins and humans chose completely different skill trees. Dolphins invested points into communication, navigation, teamwork, and underwater survival. Humans invested points into technology, language, engineering, and creativity. Neither species is necessarily smarter in every situation. They're simply intelligent in different ways. Dolphins might be impressed by human communication. Humans have developed thousands of languages. We write books, create movies, build computers, and send information across the planet instantly. If dolphins could fully understand this, they might find it astonishing. Imagine explaining the internet to a dolphin. Millions of people communicating across the globe using invisible signals. To a dolphin, that might seem almost magical. But dolphins also have communication abilities that humans don't fully understand. Scientists are still studying dolphin sounds today. In fact, there may be aspects of dolphin communication that are far more complex than we realize. What dolphins might not understand. Here's where things get funny. If dolphins observed human behavior closely, they might become very confused. Humans argue online with strangers. We spend hours staring at glowing screens. We pollute oceans even though we know it harms marine life. From a dolphin's perspective, some human actions might seem incredibly irrational. Imagine a dolphin asking, if humans are so intelligent, why do they damage their own environment? That's actually a difficult question, because intelligence doesn't always guarantee wisdom. Sometimes humans know what's right but fail to act accordingly. And dolphins might notice that contradiction. Dolphins and teamwork. One thing dolphins might respect about humans is cooperation. Dolphins are highly social animals. They hunt together, protect one another, and care for injured members of their pod. Humans also cooperate on an enormous scale. We build cities together, launch spacecraft, create global networks. A dolphin observing human teamwork might recognize something familiar. Both species rely heavily on social connections. In fact, teamwork may be one of the reasons both dolphins and humans became so successful. Could dolphins understand human intelligence? Here's the biggest challenge. To truly judge intelligence, you need to understand another species completely. And that's something dolphins probably can't do. But humans face the same problem. We still don't fully understand dolphins. Scientists continue discovering new things about dolphin behavior every year. It's possible that dolphins possess abilities we haven't even recognized yet. Likewise, dolphins may never fully grasp the complexity of human civilization. Both species are looking at each other through a limited window. Each sees only part of the picture. So, do dolphins think humans are intelligent? The honest answer is, we don't know. No one can ask a dolphin directly, but based on their curiosity and intelligence, dolphins would probably recognize that humans are unusual. At first, they might see us as awkward creatures that struggle in water. Then they'd notice our ships, cities, and technology. They'd realize we're capable of extraordinary things. Would they think we're intelligent? Probably. Would they think we're the smartest creatures on Earth? Maybe not. After all, from a dolphin's perspective, true intelligence might mean understanding the ocean, navigating vast distances, and communicating through complex sounds. After all, from a dolphin's perspective, true intelligence might mean understanding the ocean, navigating vast distances, and communicating through complex sounds. And in those areas, dolphins are the experts. So the next time you see a dolphin leaping through the waves, remember this. While humans are busy wondering how intelligent dolphins are, a dolphin might be wondering exactly the same thing about us. And perhaps the most intelligent realization of all is that intelligence comes in many forms. Different species, different strengths, different ways of understanding the world. What do you think? If dolphins could speak human language for one day, what question would they ask us first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Tiny Kingdom for more fascinating animal mysteries. Until next time, keep exploring the hidden minds of the animal world.